Why does your scanner show the P2005 engine code? What does it mean? P2005 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner control stuck open bank 2. This engine code indicates that problem with the intake manifold runner control system on the second bank of cylinders in the engine, where the runner flaps are stuck in an open position, preventing proper airflow and engine performance. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Stuck intake manifold runner flap. Faulty IMRC actuator or solenoid. Vacuum line issues. Wiring problems. Cracked or damaged intake manifold. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Audi, and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.